guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm bringing you guys a travel vlog because I am actually leaving Canada and heading back to Jamaica. So I kind of wanted to do that journey all over again. You know, with that travel vlog, I did a travel vlog from Jamaica to Canada. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. I'm gonna put it in the cards right here so you can go and see it. But I wanted to kind of give you guys the other leg of travels, so I wanted to show you guys like the other leg of travel, you know, going the other way. And I think this one should be more interesting because I think I have more time. Well, not that I have more time, because I did have quite a bit of time on my last trip, but I should be in a part of the airport that has like a lot more things to see and do. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to leave right now. This is my airport fit. Well, a part of it. I'm just wearing like a crop top thing, sweatpants. I'm gonna wear like one of these sweater things, and then like my big jacket because it's very cold. And then when I get to the airport, I'm gonna take off the big jacket and leave it here in Canada, because let's be real, I don't need it. So yeah, so let's go. To my gate just now, they told me that basically I only paid for 2 luggage when I actually paid for 3, and I'm not sure why that is, but I actually paid for, I know I paid for 2 before I like got here, but the system, like I paid for 2 and then I paid for 1 in Jamaica to go and come. Their system is only showing a payment for 2 luggage, not 3. So I was like at the check-in desk trying to basically get to pay for a 3rd bag that I didn't plan for. And then, you know, paying for a bag like at the airport is so much more expensive than paying for it online. If I had known that there was going to be an issue, I would have paid for the bag online, you know what I mean? But the girl is like saying that I should call customer service when I get home to like sort out whatever the issue is, why they're only seeing payment for 2 bags and not 3. So yeah, so I'm currently at my gate right now. I mean, I knew it was not gonna take me long to get to my gate because my flight is pretty empty. As of right now, there's literally only 5 people sitting at the gate, and I make 6. I am the 6th person. Okay, so I could tell my flight wasn't gonna be full because even when I looked at my flight a couple days ago, like at the seats, it was empty. And my flight to come to Canada was empty, but this one is like even more empty than the one that I took to Canada. The airport in general is empty. I think I'm just lucky that my flight didn't get cancelled because with like COVID in Canada right now, and the spike is so high right now, so a lot of people's flights are getting cancelled. The airline actually cancelled a flight to Korea apparently because the person that was checking in beside, 2 people that checked in beside me or tried to check in beside me were told that their flight got cancelled. So I'm just grateful that I can still go home. I mean, I wouldn't mind the extended trip to be honest, but I'm just saying. But I got some coffee. I'm probably going to walk up and down a little bit because I don't know, the airport is empty and my flight's on time, so I just feel like I should probably just like do something other than sit here for 2 hours because it's early. These are the people that are there. They're staring at me, but who cares, right? This is a nice view though, unlike Montego Bay Airport. By the way, I came to Canada from Montego Bay, and I don't know, I just don't love that airport. First of all, I prefer Kingston. I said this in my last vlog, but ciao, the airport was not it. There's not even enough space at the gate for you to sit, and worse with COVID, you know that there's distancings of the seat and stuff. I had to stand for almost 2 hours to wait. Well, I didn't stand the whole time. I had to like go to a restaurant and like sit down and stuff because I was not about to stand and wait for 2 hours for my flight. Like, and my flight was delayed. So, honey. And that's the thing, my flight wasn't even full. My flight was probably like 50% capacity, if that much. And the gate was full. Okay, so just imagine. I decided to get the French vanilla that everybody was talking about from Tim Hortons, and is it giving? It's okay. It just tastes like hot chocolate. And the lady in front of me keeps staring at me. Do y'all think she wants to be my vlog? Maybe.
I told him when I hear his message for you.
Hello. I want to do a what's in my bag, because we usually do this when they're at the airport, and I kind of want to show you guys what I travel with. First thing, always get some coffee in the airport. I don't know, I'm a coffee lover. If you guys are not watching, you know, my vlogs the first time, y'all know this, and I decided to have Tim Hortons for my last hurrah in Canada. I got the French vanilla for the first time. I haven't gotten like this one before, but I saw people talking about this flavor, so I decided to get it. I've had Starbucks here, and people are saying that Starbucks is better than the Tim's, but honestly I don't really feel like any is better than the other. I feel like they're both kind of just, they're just there, you know. It's not a Jamaican coffee house, okay? I feel like Jamaican coffee houses, I'm biased, but I just think Jamaican coffee houses, the coffee's better. But yeah, so I have my other phone, my broken phone as well. I have a sweater, which is actually the matching set of the pants that I have on. And I have this sweater just in case I get like super cold. This jacket is a super light down jacket, which I decided to wear with like a crop top kind of vibe, just in case the plane got cold. I didn't expect the airport to be cold because usually the airport's pretty warm in my experience, so I just kind of prepared for the plane because the plane is really what gets cold. So I have this on, I can zip up if anything, and I brought this just in case. I don't think I'm going to need it, but it's just in case. I also have like my laptop, which I'm going to use to edit on the plane, and I actually need to download some video footage off of this phone for the vlog that I'm going to put out tomorrow, which is Sunday. So yeah, of course I have my passport, my boarding pass, that's a given. I have like my COVID documents. You need to get a negative COVID test to enter Jamaica. It can be antigen or PCR. However, I did see now that in Jamaica you have to quarantine for 8 days if you're fully vaccinated. So I'm gonna have to quarantine when I get back home. If you do a PCR test after getting to Jamaica, I don't think you have to quarantine, but I don't mind quarantining because honestly I didn't plan on going anywhere anyways. I'm mostly a homebody, so I kind of planned on staying home for a while before I head out and go see people, especially because you know, basically, you know, COVID is happening and there's a spike right now, so I had no interest in going anywhere anyways. Also in my bag I have this book, and this is the new book from Will Smith. I haven't started it yet, but I did put it in my bag because I was thinking if I didn't edit my vlogs, at least I'll have a book to read, and I kind of want to start this, so I put this in my bag too. What else do I have? I have a bottle of water that I bought at Tim Hortons because the plane that I'm taking doesn't give you anything, so I bought a water just in case. I have a bunch of snacks in here, snack bars. I have Kit Kat and a ring pop. I have my charger, hand sanitizer, and I also have like my glasses case in here, and like a pouch with like all my electronics and stuff. So like I have this pouch that I got with the case that I got from my laptop. It came with this pouch, and I basically put like all my electronics and stuff in there. So like my laptop charger, my earphone case, all my charging cords. Well, honestly, this one should be in here too. Have perfume. A flight just came, and they just kind of came off the plane, and it's the same plane as what I'm supposed to be on, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be on that same plane or if they're gonna change it, so we will see. It's currently like 1:16, and my flight is at 2:20, so I have like another hour before my flight leaves. So I'm probably gonna start boarding by 2, I guess. Honestly, the gate is empty. There's like 7 people here, so it's a pretty empty flight. I kind of wish I didn't pay for my seat at this point, because what am I paying for? But anyways, that's mostly what I have in my bag. The other things are limitless. You know, a bunch of other sanitizers, and that's literally it. So there's nothing else. I need to download the footage to edit my vlog. I don't think I downloaded everything that I need for the vlog tomorrow. I need to download that. But yeah, this bag is from a brand called Starlight and Love. The person that owns this bag is also a YouTuber. I'm gonna link her channel below. Actually, she has like a family channel. So I'm gonna link her channel below, and also you can shop this bag. I'm gonna post a link to this bag. If you watch my vlogs on a daily, you already know this bag, right? This is my carry everywhere bag. Oh, and I have my hat too. I didn't show you guys my hat. Yeah, I've got this already. This is my hat from Studio 27. I'm gonna start downloading my vlog footage, making sure that I have everything, because if I don't make sure that I have all my footage, is gonna be a wasted like 4 hours not having all the footage to edit my vlog, because I need Wi-Fi to be able to download the footage from my iCloud on my phone. And the plane doesn't have Wi-Fi. At least I think it has Wi-Fi, but I think you have to pay for it, and I don't know how much it costs. I might pay for it, but it really depends on like my desperation for 4 hours. Do you know how you usually see, you remember when COVID just started and there are people at the airport that were going in hazmat suits? I saw a guy in like full hazmat suit, PPE, everything, and the goggles, like walking through the airport, and I'm like, I haven't seen this in real life before, so this is something. This is interesting.
For our 3-hour and 53-minute flight off to Montego Bay. Please direct your attention to the cabin crew in the aisle as we prepare to complete the safety demonstration. Should the cabin pressure change, oxygen mask light leads will drop down to the panel located above you. For me, please immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen.
dirty my suitcase is. Jesus. At least there are no dents. But it's so dirty. Oh my god.